Welcome all to Analysis Hole, the black hole to explore knowledge. Please like and subscribe my channel. Note down this question. Give a detailed description on types and styles of prose. तो पहले हम लिखेंगे prose style. First is expository. Expository writing is one of the most common types of writing. When an author writes in an expository style, all they are trying to do is to explain a concept, imparting information from themselves to a wider audience. Expository writing does not include the author's opinions but focuses on accepted facts about a topic, including statistics or other evidence. Second is descriptive. Descriptive writing is often found in fiction, though it can make an appearance in non-fiction as well. For example, memoirs, first-hand accounts of events, or travel guides. When an author writes in a descriptive style, they are painting a picture in words of a person, place, or thing for their audience. The author might employ metaphor or other literary devices in order to describe the author's impression by their five senses: what they hear, see, smell, taste, or touch. But the author is not trying to convince the audience of anything or explain the scene, merely describe things as they are. Third is persuasive. Persuasive writing is the main style of writing you will see in academic papers. When an author writes in a persuasive style, they are trying to convince the audience of a position or belief. Persuasive writing contains the author's opinions and biases, as well as justifications and reasons given by the author as evidence of the correctness of their position. Any argumentative essay you write in a school should be in the persuasive style of writing. Fourth point is narrative. Narrative writing is used in almost every longer piece of writing, whether fiction or non-fiction. When an author writes in a narrative style, they are not just trying to impart information. They are trying to construct and communicate a story, complete with characters, conflict, and settings. Now, the types of prose. First is non-fictional prose. This is the prose that is mainly based on fact. Think about biographies and essays. The writer is trying to teach or document something that happened in real life, and they used conventional prose to do so. Fictional prose. The second type of prose is fictional prose. This prose that is wholly or partly imagined. Novels are written in fictional prose, as are the most fairy tales. Some of the greatest literary works of all time were written in fictional prose. Next is heroic prose, the literary work that may be written down or recited, and which employs many of the formal expressions found in the oral tradition. Examples are legends and tales. Now, fourth is prose poetry. Remember, prose contains narrative and doesn't follow a set of rhythm, while poetry is rhythmic and image based. Prose poetry combines these two elements into a single piece of writing. It is poetry that is not written in verse and contain other poetic attributes such as rhythm and metaphors.